In this video, we will show you how to use the return filing tool. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the CDTFA's Online Services Login page. To use the return filing tool, log in with your username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services Profile page, under the Accounts tab, click the account for which you want to file a return. Under the I Want To menu, select File using the Return Filing tool. Please enter the filing period by typing the date or selecting it from the drop-down calendar. After selecting the filing period, click the Search button. Click the new hyperlink to access the Return Filing tool. The link will open a new window where you can file your return. Is the business still operating? Click Continue. Did the business make sales during the period? Select Yes or No. Click Continue. Were sales made at a location other than the registered business address? For more information, please click on the question icon. A tan window will appear explaining more about the question. Once you are done reviewing, please select Yes or No. Click Continue. Which of the following best describes your business activities? Depending on the business activity selected, you'll be asked a few additional questions to help you file your return. For this tutorial, Other option was selected. Click Continue. Please indicate Yes for any categories that apply to you. For more information regarding each category, please click on the question icon. Once you are done reviewing, please select Yes or No for each category. Please complete each applicable field. For more information regarding each field, press the question icon. Once completed, click Continue. Please choose all the sales categories that apply to your business. Some categories will be pre-selected based on the answers you provided earlier. You may also see different sales categories depending on the business activity you selected earlier. If a pre-selected category does not apply to your business, click on it to deselect it. Once completed, click Continue. Enter the amount of your sales in the following categories. Once completed, click Continue. Do any of these scenarios apply to you? For more information regarding each scenario, please click on the question icon. Once completed, click Continue. Review the total transactions to ensure they are accurate. Once finished, click Continue. If you answered yes earlier for sales made at a location other than the registered business address, you will need to complete the computation schedule for district tax. For more information regarding each category, please click on the question icon. Please make sure you address all the outstanding allocations. If you need to add more district tax areas, type the district tax area you want to add in this field. Select the district tax area you want to add. Press the Add button. Confirm the correct district tax area was added. Once you finish the computation schedule for district tax, click Continue. Please review the tax due information. Once you are finished, click Continue. Please review your return summary. If you would like to view the full return, click the slider button to switch to Return View. Once you have finished reviewing, click Continue. Please complete the following fields with the information of the person who is completing the return. After completing this section, review the certification and select the checkbox once you have finished. Click Continue. If a payment is required, please follow the payment prompts to submit your payment. Once completed, click Continue. The next page is the Declaration of Intent page. Please be sure to read this page. You may want to print a copy of this page for your records and then click the checkbox to accept the declaration. Once completed, click Submit. Once you've completed the declaration page, you'll be taken to the confirmation page. Here, you'll see a confirmation number showing that your return and payment have been successfully submitted. We recommend saving the confirmation number for your records. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115. TTY 711.